Hello guys, this is HR number 2 from TTlock, and this is the HR number 1 and a new model HR number 4. Both can work 8 languages, customize the order. Okay, so let's see how to freely switch the language from the logger keypad. Okay, it's very easy. Just okay. Vietnamese. Portuguese. Arabic. Russia. Thailand. Spanish. Indonesian. Okay, last day we switch back to the English. Okay. Just to follow the menu. Okay, it's very easy to switch the languages to different your language. Very easy, freely. Thank you guys, and welcome your orders.